interesting topic about the concise history of origin of cinema. Everybody know about the cinemas, but But nowadays, cinema is just a thing where every day we see, and every time we see the theaters, we watch the new movies. But these are somewhat like a fruits to a tree. But nobody know about the roots of the cinema. And I would like to tell about the history of the origin of cinema. And do anybody know about the inventor of the cinema? And he is Everett Mogridge. And he's an English photographer, and he's born on 9 April 1831 and dead on 8 May 1904 in United Kingdom. He has done many amazing movies and artworks. Some of the facts which we know but we never come across of their original facts. Those are the first rotating cameras and is built on 1894. The first close-up shot was taken by D.W. Griffith, and most of the points are there over here where we never come across most often. And the first successful theater was the Nickelodeon in the Pittsburgh which was built in 1905. And the actors got more fame and name from that stage onwards. The film studios was built from 1897. The world's earliest picture. He is Louis C. Prince. He is the inventor of the short film. He has taken a film of 2.11 seconds, but it's technically called as a film. And this is the first movie, the Jazz Singer, and it is the first talkie movie, and it was released on 8 October 1927. And I would like to tell you about some of the most important things which we come across the movie, but we never recognize it most particularly. And these only give us give the movie into the higher levels, and that is which was the comedy, the effects, the action, and the tickets, the theaters, and popcorns and friends. I would like to tell about the first color film, and this is the first color film. It was taken by Edward Photographer. This is one of the famous films which most of us know it, the Maya Bazar. The movies and films what we watch today are highly technological, and we never know what is happening behind the scenes. And I would like to tell about the things which are there behind the scenes. This is the old picture, and this is one of the old set picture where we can see many of the people standing behind the screen and making the things done. And this is a famous picture known as the Life of Pi, where we can see the boy playing with the tiger. Everybody thinks that he's really thinking about playing with the tiger, and it is domesticated, but in natural, it is a doll and it is graphic.
Okay.
And these are done because of the cameras which are invented by some of the great people. The high definition camera and ultra high definition camera. Coming to the present day technology, 3D and 4D effects. It is the kinematiscope, a stereo animated camera. It is invented in 1950, but it was not that popular those days. Only few of the theaters were of those kinds. But nowadays we can even watch it in the televisions in our home. And I would like to show you a video on it. Volume. Thank you everyone for giving me your valuable time and listening to my words. Though it's an interesting topic, I've been told you some of the old things which are a little boring, but we have been learned today something which we ever not known. Thank you. Any questions you would like to ask me?
What's your favorite movie?
What is your first favorite movie?
My first favorite movie is Pokeri.
Any other questions?
Your director?
Favorite hero Ranbir Kapoor.
Hey,
Okay. Right. Next, I would like to ask you a question. What made you to choose this topic?
Cinema is the most interesting, entertaining thing we ever had, and each and everybody likes it. And I thought making something new from it is good.
Good. So all the feedback you have not submitted, you record, so I could not